Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome everybody. I am so excited to share with you today budget-friendly finds from Woodpecker Crafts, of which I'm an affiliate. Woodpecker Craft is a small growing business that sells wood cutouts for ready-to-craft kits, plus a lot of other wood items. Now, I don't know which crafter doesn't like crafting with wood. I love getting stuff from Woodpecker's Craft. They have so many things that you can use to craft with. And before I do that, or before I get into sharing what I got into my box, I'd like to introduce you to Marissa from Subscribers to Sale that has a course coming up for YouTube content creators. So take it away, Marissa.
Hello to the viewers and subscribers of Christine's DIY Craftaholic channel. My name is Marissa Romero and it is a pleasure to be here. I have a very special announcement, and that is we have a Subscribers to Sales YouTube coaching experience coming up very soon, within just a couple of days. And let me tell you just a little bit about it. So the same way that Christine built a business around her YouTube channel, that is the same thing that we are teaching live for 6 weeks within this experience. So basically how it works is, those of you interested in building up your brand, your authority, generating leads, and creating sales on YouTube, myself, my team, and other guest experts are going to teach you exactly how to do just that. And also we have so much to help you with support, guidance, accountability. We have curriculum, and we also have a done-for-you editing team. So if you're not interested in editing your YouTube videos, we got that covered for you as well. If you've ever thought about starting a successful YouTube channel, go ahead, come join the community. Come join myself, Christine, and all the other YouTube coaches. It's going to be an exciting time. So there'll be much more information about this event in the link in the description. Thanks so much, and I can't wait to welcome you on the inside. All right, now back to you, Christine.
So let's open up my box. Now this is my little note from Renee. I will not read it. And here we have some stars. This is a pack of 3, 1.5 inches thick. And as always, the more you purchase is the less the cost is. This is 49 cents each. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. And then we have some mini ornaments. I had gotten the bigger one to that in a previous box. And then these are mushrooms. Now I'm not sure how I'm going to be using these, but I will be using them. A pack of 3 and then another pack with the larger ones of 2 in this box. But this box is about 1/2 inch thick and very hard, as you can see. And then we have here some chunky Christmas trees. This is a pack of 3. Now I find myself saying pack of. They don't actually sell them in the pack. They are sold as units, but if you purchase more, then like I said, the cost goes down. And then we have mini snowmen or snowman, and this is just 1 in the pack. This is about 1/2 inch thick. And then here we have our little wooden truck with a Christmas tree in the back. Now this, you will have to trace out the frame or the Christmas tree or however you want to do this, and then you can paint. Now this is going to be a task. And here I have another large ornament. I had gotten one before and they sent me a second one. And then I believe these are wreath form, wooden wreath form, 2 sizes. Now I'm not sure how I'm gonna be using this, but yeah, I'll definitely have to use it. So yes, there you have it, guys. I'm always super excited to get stuff from Woodpecker's Craft because this is wood, and Who doesn't like crafting with wood? I know I do. So I'm gonna leave my affiliate link in the description box below, and if you are thinking of creating crafts that you can sell, now is the time to grab these. I'll also leave the link to Marissa's subscribers to sale course that's starting in a few days. Check that one out as well. You won't be disappointed because I'm a student and I can tell you I have learned a lot from her. So there you have it, guys, another woodpecker craft unboxing video. If you're thinking of crafting items for winter or Christmas, I'd say grab yours now while you can. And if you like content like this one, be sure to watch this video as well as this playlist, and stay safe until next time. Bye.